We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, how's everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執事 Joseph Lin. And if you are in a hurry to get something done, maybe you need to learn this phrase, and that is 马上 immediately.
念
是 OK， 这是这个月教的这个片语哦。那很多时候事情很急，尤其在公司里面，案子啊一定要赶快处理啊，怎么样？很急啊，
做不完怎么办呢？
对，我们就送给上班族这一课了 ，OK？
好。
A case needs to be rushed, and you need your colleagues' help. 这个案子很急，可以帮我处理一下吗 ？This case needs to be rushed. Can you help me?
呀嘅安呢冻结，
呀嘅安嘅凍結，
不是安呢，
安誒 OK 好。
呀嘅安呢冻结。
呀嘅安嘅凍結，
做得老捱天數，
做得老捱天數，
處理一下麼？
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 處理一下嗎？這樣子 ，Can you take care？ 處理 means to process something, but in this sense is to take care. 然後很急啊，
凍結，
凍結 ，OK， that means 很急，急凍 means very very rushed. All right， 好啦，我馬上幫你處理 ，Sure, I'll help you right away.
我念是老五。
我念是老五，
天數處理，
天數處理。
我念是老五，天數處理。
處理我們剛剛教過了 means to process it, to take care of it, and then 我念是馬上。我念是 that means I will do it right away. All right， 那就只好按自 say 咯，對不對？
那是看你的交情呢。
謝謝你啦，我請客，應該在這一個，下次請你吃飯。
我還沒講完啊，
是不是？
下次請我吃蛋糕。
你覺得教謝謝你不夠就對了。
對，你要說按自 say， 唱一半愛唱十班。
I was just going to say, we're going to wrap it up by saying thank you, but Alice says that there should be something that follows that, and maybe, I should treat her to dinner or something because she's going to help me with this case.
对，我就是故意要这样讲，大家都听到了，所以你跑不掉。
Right， 好啦，这个我们私底下当然我可以请你了 ，OK？
好，
但是谢谢你就是按自 say。All right， now let's review some of these phrases, such as a case， 案子叫做 one， and then 很急。凍結 that means it's an emergency. It needs to be rushed. And to 處理 that means to process it or to take care of it. 處理 And finally, of course, this month it's all about 馬上 right away. 念是 And there you have it. Another great practical Hakka lesson here on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
按自 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.